Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, my name is Zulaika Nayutrahma. In this video, I will explain the anatomy and physiology of the respiratory system, one of the essential systems in the human body that help us breathe and sustain life. The respiratory system is the responsible for the action of the gases, mainly oxygen and carbon dioxide, between the body and the environment. It works continuously to deliver oxygen to the body cells and remove carbon dioxide, which is a waste product of metabolism. The respiratory process include inhalation and exhalation. The system works closely with the circulatory system to transport oxygen to all body tissues. The respiratory system is divided into two main parts: the upper respiratory tract and the lower respiratory tract. Upper respiratory tract. First, nose and nasal cavity. The nose is the main entry for air. The nasal cavity warms, withstands, and filters the air through thinly hair-like structure called cilia. 2. Pharynx, a muscular tube that serves as passing way for both air and food. 3. Larynx, voice box, located below the pharynx. It contains the vocal cord that produces sound and prevents food from entering the lower airways through the abdomen. B. Lower respiratory tract. First, trachea, a tubing of cartilage ring that connects the larynx to the bronchi. It filters the air and directs it to the lungs. 2. Bronchi and bronchioles. The trachea divides into two bronchi, one each lung. Each bronchus further divides into a small tube called bronchiole. 3. A left oil. Daily air tolls at the end of the bronchioles where gas action of oxygen and carbon takes place when they are sunburned by capillaries, making them the main site of gas exchange. 4. Lungs. The lungs are two small organs located in the thoracic cavity. The right lung has lobes, while the left lung has two lobes. They are protected by a double-layer membrane called the pleura. The main function of the respiratory system is gas exchange, and this obtuse talk the following progress. First, pulmonary ventilation. Inhalation, the diaphragm contract and move downward, and the interstitial muscle lift the root chart, allowing the root to expand and fill with air. Exhalation, the diaphragm relax, pushing the air out of the lung, and the chest gradually becomes smaller. 2. External respiration. Gas exchange between the alveoli and the bulb in pulmonary capillaries. Oxygen diffuses from alveoli into the bulb, while carbon dioxide diffuses from the bulb into the alveoli to be exhaled. 3. Gas transport. Oxygen carried by hemoglobin in the red blood cell. Carbon dioxide is transported dissolved in plasma bound to hemoglobin or as carbonate ions. 4. Internal respiration. Gas exchange between blood and body tissue. Oxygen diffuses from the blood into cells. Carbon dioxide moves from cell into the bone. 5. Cellular respiration. Oxygen is used by cell into product energy we can call ATP. producing carbon dioxide and water as waste product. 4. Breathing is primarily controlled by the respiratory cells in the medulla oblongata and bones of the brainstem. They center regular breathing rate and dip automatically based on both levels of carbon dioxide and oxygen. Thermometer located in the carotid arteries and aorta detects change in gas, coordinates, and sends signal into a chest repetition. Thank you for watching this video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See ya!